सगळ्यांनीच बोललं पाहिजे असं अपेक्षित आहे. फक्त 10-15 इंटरॅक्टिव्ह स्टुडंट इंटरॅक्टिव्ह असतात लेक्चरला, बाकी फक्त तसं करू नका. भले तुम्हाला लेक्चर नसेल करायचं तर मला सांगा, मी तुमची अटेंडन्स मार्क करतो, नो प्रॉब्लेम. अनइंटरॅक्टिव्ह लिहा लेक्चरला. आपण चुकीचं बोलतो बरोबर बोलतो याला काहीच अर्थ नाही, पण आपण बोलतो याला खूप महत्व आहे. ओके, shall I start the session?
Yes, sir.
Start with unit number 1, which basically depends upon analytics in social media and types of analytics tools. Okay, tell me the first, what are the different applications of social media analytics, where it is used? What are the different applications of social media analytics, where it is used? Can anyone? Applications, we had already discussed on it. Can you tell me the applications of the social media analytics, where it is used maximum time?
To analyze the number of users or the usage of site and the platforms. To
Okay,
analyze
okay,
this count.
okay. Anyone, can you tell me the applications of the social media analytics?
Social media marketing, targeted
Very good.
advertisement.
Okay. There are the many applications of the social media analytics. First application is for the market analysis. It is useful for the consumer feedback. It is useful for the business analysis. It is useful for the share marketing. It is useful for the stock prices. It is useful for the digital marketing, and it is useful for the advertisement purpose. I will repeat. There are many applications of the social media analytics. First application is market analysis, consumer feedback, stock market exchange, business analysis, digital marketing, advertisement, and share marketing. Understood? Other thing is that it is useful for the business purpose, agriculture, defense, marketing, banking sector, telecommunication sector. These all are the application of the social media analytics. Understood? Okay. There are the definition of this data analytics is accumulation of the raw data captured from various sources, like collected this data from some discussions of boards, some emails, exam logs, and chart logs in learning system, can be used to identify the fruitful patterns and relationship. This technique, which are called as the data analytics. You understood this definition?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are basically two types of this: exploratory visualization and second is a confirmatory visualization. This exploratory visualization consists of the data analytics by capturing the relationship that perhaps unknown or at least less formally formulated. I will repeat. The explanatory visualization uses the exploratory data analytics by capturing relationships that are perhaps unknown or at least less formally formulated. Okay, and second one is a confirmatory visualization. This is the theory-driven approach. This is a confirmatory data analysis involves things like the testing hypothesis, producing the estimates with a specified level of precision, regression analysis, and variance analysis. This confirmatory visualization is totally depends upon statistical visualization technique. There are basically four types of visualization in our syllabus. First one is a structural visualization, second is a temporal visualization, third one is a semantic visualization, and fourth one is a statistical visualization. This confirmatory visualization is a part of the statistical visualization technique. It always estimates some hypothesis, producing the estimate with the help of some applying some technique of the statistics such as regression, variance, and precisions. And this exploratory visualization, this is a part of it shows the relationship between the different types of social media platforms and social media channels. It gives a particular explanation of the particular channel, such as suppose we have to use some Facebook. It gives some brief explanation about the Facebook. It gives some data analytics. What are the different tools which are used to capture some exploration of this Facebook with the help of these tools. This is two types of explanatory visualization and confirmatory visualization. Okay, I will repeat or not. Yes or not?
Sir, can you please repeat once?
Okay. Data analytics. What is meant by data analytics? Accumulation of raw data captured from various sources. This data is came from the some discussions of boards, some emails, some Facebook, Twitter, okay, some exam logs, some charts, and e-learning system. We have to formulate this data and identify the some patterns and relationship. Such a process is called as data analytics. Understood first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This data analytics consists of some applications. You have to use this data analytics system for the market analysis purpose, some stock exchange purpose, some business purpose, some digital marketing purpose, some advertisement purpose. Some you have to get the consumer feedback. Okay, you have to exchange the stock market prices with help of this social media analytics. You have to use for this the banking purpose. You have to use for the defense, telecommunication, e-commerce, e-marketing. Okay, these are the some application of this data analytics. Second point understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Point number three. These data analytics. Basically, there are two types of this visualization. This term is indicates the patterns and relationship between the different channels. It gives the pictorial representation, visualization. And basically, there are two types of visualization here mentioned. Some is an exploratory visualization, and second visualization is a confirmatory visualization. What do you mean by exploratory visualization? It uses the explanation of data analytics by capturing the relationship. It shows the indicates, so suppose Facebook is one thing, WhatsApp is one thing, Twitter is one thing. It gives the pictorial representation. How many users use this particular channels? With the help of this pictorial representation, you have to give the exploratory visualization. You understood first? It indicates the uses. It indicates the number of users available for this Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. With the help of this, you have to get the some proper explanation. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And second is a comparatively visualization. This comparatively visualization is basically depends upon statistical visualization. In our syllabus, there are basically four types of visualization technique we have to use. First one is statistical visualization. Second is a temporal visualization. Third one is a semantic visualization, and fourth one is statistical visualization. This comparatively visualization is basically depends upon mathematical base. That's why we have to calculate some value, some precision, some regression analysis, and some variance analysis. In this confirmatory visualization, we have to apply the some technique of, I will repeat, apply the some technique of regression analysis, variance analysis, precision, some centrality, page rank, eigenvector centrality, and some cars vector centrality. KARTZ. With the help of this, we calculate the estimate the particular channels, estimate the capacity of the particular channels, and apply the some techniques. That's why we have to use this confirmatory visualization. Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, another members. Please. Shweta, any doubt?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Next one. What can be learned from the data sets? You have to learn from the data sets some business analytics, business intelligence. Okay. We have to data analytics is an emerging technique that dives into a data sets with prior set of hypotheses. The data is derived from meaningful trends or integrating the finds weren't previously seen or empirically validated. Data analytics enables quick decision help change in the policies due to the trends of the. My question is that why we learned what is the need of data sets in social media? What is your opinion? Why data sets required? Anyone?
Sir, only with the use of data sets we can perform analysis, no sir. Like if we have to apply some machine learning algorithm and learn from it, ki what are the outputs of this thing, we will basically need data sets. Without it, nothing
Okay.
can happen.
Okay, very good. First one. Okay, very good. What can be learned from data set? Okay, very good. Next, anyone?
So we can understand the patterns from dataset by, for example, drawing the graphs from dataset.
Okay. Another member? Anyone? Next?
Sir,
We
we can
can,
conclude
sir, we
certain
can, sir, we
outcomes.
can,
Yes.
Sir, should I speak?
Yes, yes, yes.
So we can conclude certain outcomes like decisions.
Okay. Next, yes, Vedant.
Sir, we can classify the data into various clusters if the data is not labeled, or we can conclude various patterns in the data sets.
Okay, this is about the what can be learned from the data sets, and maximum time these data sets we have to use some meaningful information. It is useful for the business intelligence. It is useful for the business analytics. Okay, it is useful for the taking the quick decisions. Okay, it is useful for the changing the policies. Understood? Hello, hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, this is one example. Power of data analytics. This is one basic example. Social network analytics saves lives in Iraq. This is the example. Or another example is COVID-19 pandemic. In one of the best example. This third example is World Trade Center war in New York. This is the best example of power of data analytics. Can I explain one example? How data analytics helps in COVID-19 pandemic? How data analytics helps in World Trade Center attack?
Sir, sir, in COVID-19 dataset helped in a way that uh, we came to know that which states are having the most cases. So we can provide the facilities, we can provide the like the beds were made available, some external facilities were being provided to that state. So it helped to provide the facilities.
Okay. Another member? Yes. World Trade Center war.
The ban of Donald Trump account, social media accounts.
Okay, okay. Next one. World Trade Center war. Anyone fast? A humble request to all of you, please be interactive during the session. Anyone? Yes, Shweta. Can you tell me the answer of this question? You understood first?
Sir, I am not aware about it.
Okay. Anyone? Akash?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the answer? World Trade Center.
No, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Can you tell me the Kerala flood? Kerala, which are occurred in 2018. Shweta, can you hear about this?
Yes, sir. Sir, using social media, many people came up with funds. So, like, crowdfunding thing happened using social media for
Okay.
that Kerala thing.
Okay. Everyone, I am going to request to everyone, please post one example, one real-time example of this data analytics. Where it is helpful. Real-time example like this, suppose Kerala flood, okay, H1N1, okay, like that. Please post. Recently, the problem is arises according to the bird flu. This is one of the example. Okay, please post everyone. COVID-19. Okay, another member fast. Okay, another members. Very good. Exit polls of elections. Very good. Another members. Urban emission. Very good, Akash. YouTube. Very good. Glassdoor research. Very good. Okay. Any doubt? Hello.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Next one. There's difference between data analytics and statistical analysis. The data analytics utilizes the data mining techniques, and statistical analysis utilizes statistical and mathematical techniques. This data analytics identifies the inexplicable or novel relationship trends. It is used based on theoretical foundations in statistical. This data analytics seeks to visualize the data to allow the observations of relationship in trends. In statistical, seeks to identify the significance level of address, hypothesis, or argues, means the relational questionnaires. Can you tell me the another differences? What is the difference between data analytics and statistical? In data analytics, we have to use some pictorial representation, we have to use some visualization technique. In statistical analysis, we have to use some mathematical base like the regressions, like the variation, like the centrality, like the eigenvector centrality, like the page rank. Tell me the another point. What is the difference between them? Data analytics and statistical analysis. Hello. In statistical analysis, we have to got the exact value of the particular channels. In data analytics, we have to know we have to got the only pictorial representation.
Multiple observations can be made from data analytics. Single or one or two observations can be made from statistical analysis.
Okay. Another members?
Sir, I think statistical analysis will require more time because we have to do mathematical calculations in statistical analysis.
Okay. Compared to the data, very good. Other members? Hello, another members?
Data analytics can perform visualization on any type of data. Statistical analytics needs only the data that can be solved or that can be used for mathematical purpose only.
Okay, very good. Any doubt? I'll repeat. Any doubt in PPT number 1?
No,
Yes
sir.
or okay. PPT number 2?
No, no doubt, sir.
Okay. 3. Example of power of data analytics. This is PPT number 5, difference between data analytics and statistical analysis. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next. The foundation for analytics. The difference between social media analysis and traditional business intelligence is that competitive information is highly available on social media. Historically, companies have mostly dealt with their own data and eventually added studies based on the external data published by research organizations and so forth. Even the digital age, website analysis, and digital advertising still binds most of the useful data to its owners, and being competitive has never been an easy task. Competitive intelligence and other aspects of social media data and analytics create a new context for social media data driven strategy. My question based on it, what is the foundation, why it is needed, why the need of analytics, what is the importance, why it is required, what is the motivation behind this analytics? Anyone? Why researcher found this analytics technique? Any guess?
The likes of the users for your product can be understood with the help of social media data, but it cannot be understood with the help of the company's data. Like how much users have bought our product does not show that they like our product.
Okay, first point. Very good. Another members? Please fast. Hello? Anyone? Hello.
So to observe the patterns in the data.
Okay. Another members? Another members?
To from a company's perspective to understand which other companies should we tie up with so that our customers can like what we are doing.
Okay. Yes, Atharva?
Sir,
Atharva?
initially in traditional methods, businesses had to uh, presume a lot of things, but now due to social media analytics, we can directly see real life reviews of people.
Okay. Because of this foundation of analytics, we have to improve the communication between the peoples. You know the requirement analysis of the consumer. You make the business, you have to decide the business strategy. The transportation of news is faster because of this. Company got the maximum profit with the help of the social media. We have to add our new trends which are related to our company products. We have to add some videos. We have to post our news which are related to the particular business. Okay, because of this, it is a need of the analytics. Why it is required, basically. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Boring होते का? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one. Social media data sources, offline data and offline data. Can you tell me the difference? Offline originated data that has been generated with no connection to the internet and then register into a system with may access via the internet layer. Examples: physical retail, printed press, live events, telephone marketing, customer support, traditional television audience measurement, okay, and online data which are created with the help of the internet, okay, website, e-commerce, media streaming, email, mobile applications, social media, online services. Okay, with the help of this, can you tell me the difference between online data and offline data? 5 points.
So online data requires internet. In
Huh?
offline data, it is not the case.
Okay, first point. Second point. Other member fast. Hello. Apurva. Apurva Kale. Hello. Snehal Sarode. तुषार बेजेकर. उत्कर्षा. रेणु आसवानी. रिद्धि नहार. प्रांजल पिंगळे. प्रणाली सपकाळे. माधुरी सानप. भक्ति डवळे. Can you tell me the difference between online data and offline data?
So online data is in a huge format and offline data is in a limited format.
Okay. Next point. Cost. Accordingly, cost. Cost. Offline or online? Higher or lower? Fast.
Sir, online prices are lower, offline are higher.
Okay. Streaming is required. Which data?
Online.
Streaming.
Online.
For example, is physical retail, printed press, okay, live event, okay. Here another example is e-commerce, live streaming, social media. Okay. You understood? Offline originated data and online. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one is for the quick sharing?
Online.
Online
Online.
data. Okay. Next one. Defining social media data. Within online generated data, only a portion of it is considered truly a social media data. There is always a gray area of debate on the social media is what is not. But to make it simple, we can define the social media data, the data generated within A self-named social media platform. What is the social media data? The data generated with the help of some social media platforms, such as, tell me the names. Data which is generated with the help of some social media platforms. Tell me the name of the social media platforms. Tell me at least 10 names.
Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram,
Okay, another.
Snapchat.
Okay,
LinkedIn.
okay, okay. Understood? Next one. Human action in social media. Human perform the some specific option. Human perform create a profile, publish a content. Okay, react, like, favorites, comments on the content, share, create groups, send the direct message through a chatting, connect to another profiles, friend, follower. Okay, purchase product and perform some transactions. Understood this point? Hello. What type
Yes,
of
sir.
action human
Yes, sir.
perform in social media? Can we add another point here? Please add another points, another actions human perform in social media.
Going live.
Or going live. Another. First. Another members.
Video chats.
Video chats. Very good. Another. Hello.
Advertising.
Advertisement. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next one. Can you tell me the difference between them? Previous lecture we had already discussed on it. Estimated data sources and factual data sources. Can you tell me the difference between them? Fast. Fast. Estimated data sources and factual data sources. Anyone?
In estimated data source, approximations are used, and
Yes.
in factual, real values are used.
Okay. First point. Second
The
point. Example.
estimated data sources have messages, posts, views, reaches, or videos.
Very good. And
And in
factual.
factual, it is emojis, likes, comments, dislikes.
Very good. Third point.
Estimated has high quality data, whereas factual has low quality data.
Very good. Fourth one. Cost.
Videos can be videos can be viewed in estimated, whereas they cannot be viewed in factual.
Very good. Cost.
Is more in estimated, less in factual.
Very good. Oh, very good, Shweta. Another members. Hello. Another members. Divya Bambre, Disha Bausar, Riddhi, रोशनी मोरे, सलील, संकेत कांकरिया, सारंग, सौरभ काकड़, शिवम, शुभम बोरसे, स्नेहल सरोदे, बेजेकर, उत्कर्षा, वेदांत, विशाखा मोरे, दिव्या बामरे, हेलो, अभिषेक मोरंकर, रावले आकांक्षा, रिद्धि नहार. Okay. You understood this difference between? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Public data and private data. Okay. Tell me the difference between public data and private data. First.
So public data can be seen by anyone on the social media platform, and private data is the data that can be seen from the owner of profile only.
Okay. First point. Second point. Public data and private data. What is the difference between them?
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Public data to access everyone and private data to limited users only.
Okay. Another point. Tell me the difference. Add more points. Fast. Hello. Here mentioned 2 points are important to remember. What is public can be easily compared, and what is private, if it does not belong to us, can only see the estimated. What is the meaning of that point? What is public can be easily compared, and what is private, if it does not belong to us, can be estimated. Hello? Tell me the point. Difference between public data and private data.
Sir, public data can be
Hello.
used.
Yes, yes. Yes, Atharva.
Sir, public data can be used to deliver mass services, like we can get mass knowledge, and private data can be used to give a personalized services to a particular person.
For example, Atharva, can you tell me the example of public data and private data?
Sir, now if we consider a particular Instagram group or Facebook page, so we can get public data from it of a large number of people at once. And now if we consider if WhatsApp changes its privacy policies and if it can read our messages, then it can use that private messages to give personalized advertisement.
Okay. Yes, Sanket. Sanket. Hello. You need, yes, Abhishek, yes. Abhishek Morankar.
Hello. Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, private data is secure than public data, and public data is the not secure.
Okay. Very good. Another member, cost. Costing. What about costing?
So costing will be less for public data because it is easily available.
Okay, no problem. Here mention here paid information is private. Okay. Any doubt? First PPT, any doubt? Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Second, third PPT, fourth, foundation of analytics, social media, offline, online, offline data, difference between them, definition of social media data, human actions in social media data, estimated and factual data sources, public and private data. The last point is remaining in unit number 1, only the data gathering in social media. Any doubt in unit number 1? Easy or difficult? Please post your opinion in chat box. Okay. Let's play one game. Okay. I'll show you some data sources in social media channels. For example, suppose picture. What are the different social media channels available for the picture? Like Picasa is available, Flickr, Instagram, and Shutterfly. Okay. You understood my question first. For picture purpose, we have to use Picasa. Understood? Hello.
Sir, will you
Hello.
please repeat?
Okay. There are some data sources used for some picture purpose, some music purpose, some videos purpose, some live casting purpose, some location purpose, some business purpose, some Wikipedia purpose, and some social network purpose. For picture purpose, we have to use some Picasa. Do you know the Picasa?
Yes, sir.
Flickr, picture purpose, Instagram, and Shutterfly. For music purpose, do you know this name? Ghana, very good. Prerna Ganguly, very good. Time music, very good. Very good, Rishabh Avsar. You understood, Shweta? Abhishek, Chinmay,
Yes,
Atharva?
sir.
Okay. For videos
Yes, sir.
purpose, please post in chat box fast. For videos purpose, YouTube, very good. Instagram, very good. Fast. You know this name? Okay, very good. For social networks, very good, Akash. FB, very good. Snapchat, Telegram, very good. Insta, Twitter, very good. Okay, for live casting, Hotstar, very good. YouTube, Instagram. Do you know this name? Quick, QIK. You know this term? Justin. Okay. Okay. No problem. Business purpose. For business purpose. Facebook, Amazon, Fast, Flipkart. Very good. Very good. For location purpose. For location purpose. Very good. For comments purpose. Comments. Is very good. For quality assurance purpose. For quality assurance purpose. For quality assurance purpose, we have to use the one of the social media channels or links. It is called as a very good. Okay, you understood all this thing? Hello. Okay. My next question is that what is the working of crawling? Do you know the concept of search engine? How search engine works? Working of search engine. And tell me the name of search engines. Google, very good. Very good. Okay. My next question is that what are the different types of social media analytics tools is available in market? What are the different types of social media analytics tools is available in market? Any doubt? Google Analytics, okay. Anyone fast? Very good. Amazon BI tool, very good. Very good. Google Plus, very good. Amazon BI tool, very good. Another? Very good. You know this term? This term? Any doubt? Okay, Abhishek Morankar. अभिषेक,
Yes, sir.
आतापर्यंत जेवढं घेतलं त्याच्यात